Hey YouTube, BG Rides here. Gonna run up to Chinook Pass real quick. Maybe stop at Tipsoo Lake, do the loop around the lake, and then maybe continue on to Whistling Jack's. Maybe have a beer real quick. Anyway, kind of bored hanging around the house, and thought I'd go for a quick ride.
Rewind myself, looking for the payback, listen for the playback. They say that every man bleeds just like me, and I feel like number one, yet I'm last in line. I watch my youngest son, and it helps to pass the time.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, absolutely. And you can begin to see part of the mountain from here.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right then, take care.
See ya.
My name, they said way out in crowds. I guess that's the price you pay.
Decided to stop real quick, come up to Sunrise. Haven't been up here forever, but look at this view. Look at that.
My love. And when your walls come tumbling down, I will always be around. And when your walls come tumbling down, I will always be around. People don't know about the things I say and do. They don't understand about the shit that I've been through. It's been so long since I've been home. I've been gone for way too long. Maybe
Right out there is Tipsoo Lake. We'll go down there and walk around it real quick.
somehow I know there's more to life than this. I said it too many times, and I still stand firm. You get what you put in, and people get what they deserve. Still I ain't seen mine. No, I ain't seen mine. I've been giving, just ain't been getting. I've been walking that thin line, so I think I'll keep walking with my head held.
Oops, almost forgot to do the ratings. So I'll give curves probably a 6.5 going up Chinook Pass. But also we went up to Sunrise. I'll give that about an 8, maybe a 7.5. And then conditions of the road on Highway 410 going up Chinook Pass, not the best in the world. Probably about a 6.5. There's some pretty decent dips coming up to Greenwater, but up at the top, that's gorgeous up there. Road conditions are good. Curves overall, I'd say pretty good, 6.5. Sunrise, give it 7.5. Scenery going up through Sunrise, crazy good. I'll give that probably a 9, 8.5 to a 9. Absolutely beautiful. Going up Chinook Pass, I'll give that an 8 towards the top. Down towards the bottom, the scenery's good. Saw some elk, a couple little baby waterfalls, beautiful scenery. The lake we went to was really cool. So all in all, time-wise, it takes maybe from Bonnie Lake area about 2.5, 3 hours to do the whole loop. So there's some places along the way in Greenwater to get some food, but other than that, once you go up Chinook Pass up to the top, there really isn't anything right up there to eat, so you might want to bring some food. But if you go to Sunrise, they have a little place you can get some to eat, and but it wouldn't hurt to bring some food. Cool hiking up there. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the next ride.